Hello, this is Soumyangi Yadav and you are watching Straight Up by edX Live. Today, the Supreme Court dismissed a petition seeking postponement of the NEET PG exam. The Chief Justice of India, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, said that the postponement would affect 2 lakh students and jeopardize their careers. Hearing the petition, the CJI stated, and I quote, "Now to reschedule a PG exam is not possible. They are all children for all of us." Unquote. A petition was filed in the Apex Court to postpone the exam, which is scheduled to be conducted this Sunday, August 11th. There were 2 major concerns among NEET PG aspirants when it came to the exam. First is the arbitrary allocation of exam centers. To recall, for few weeks there has been widespread outcry among the NEET PG candidates this year, as many were assigned exam centers in cities several kilometers away from their hometowns. Several candidates said that the test city that they were allotted was not even in the list of 4 preferred cities given by them during the application process. This was especially an issue in Kerala and certain hilly areas like Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, which have been hit by heavy rainfall and landslides. While the National Board of Examination for Medical Sciences (NBEMS) revised the exam centers for a few candidates on August 4th after receiving representation from students, medical associations as well as politicians, the issue is still far from being resolved for most aspirants. In fact, the last-minute revision of exam centers also received backlash from many candidates who said that they had already made reservations for travel and accommodation. Another concern that pushed candidates to take a legal route was that of the 2 shifts in which the exam is being conducted. This time, the NEET PG exam is to be conducted in 2 sessions on the same day. However, aspirants are of the view that 2-shift exam pattern can lead to discrepancies in results. Most students are doubtful about the normalization process and hence are demanding a single-shift examination. The NEET PG exam this year has been marred with a few last-minute changes. Initially scheduled to be held on June 23rd, the exam was earlier postponed indefinitely just 12 hours before it was to be conducted, following allegations of malpractice and paper leak in its undergraduate counterpart NEET UG. Later it was informed that the exam would be held on August 11th. That is all from us today. Do like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Mask up and stay safe.